Welcome to Groundsure.io, our free trusted data viewer that allows you to view data layers for free and order our reports using one simple, intuitive interface. When you first sign in, you will see the main menu, the control panel, and the map element. You can find your site in seconds with our easy-to-use address or coordinate locator. This will zoom to map to the selected location with a pin and will display the information about that location in the control panel. First, you will need to define the site boundary. To do this, click the pencil icon on the right-hand side of the map and select either the polygon or the auto-select tools. As you can see, our auto-select tool can extract the underlying map geometry as the site boundary. And when you're done, simply double-click to finish the drawing session. We have over 50 data layers that you can overlay onto the map. To access, click the Layers button on the main menu, then add layers to view the 12 different categories of data available. For example, if you're interested in viewing BGS boreholes, select the group BGS boreholes to see the data available and then click Add to overlay the data on the map. Information on the source, areas covered, and licensing, as well as the general information on the data, can be found by clicking the information icon. You can go back to the main layers menu using the back arrow. There you can add more data layers to the map from other groups. For this example, we have selected the 50K bedrock layer with information supplied by the British Geological Society. And LiDAR. Groundsure has made the most recent DMS surface and terrain models from the Environment Agency available. Clicking the close icon takes you to a view of all the data layers loaded onto the map, where you can turn their visibility on and off, as well as change the opacity or transparency of the layer. You can order your reports from the Products option on the main menu. With your site already defined, this will show on the map. From here, you can also edit the address that will be shown on the report. If you have skipped a few steps and have not defined your site, you will be encouraged to do so. All our Insights reports, including the Groundsure Insight, will appear as featured products. Don't worry, all the other products are available by scrolling down the page. Need more information? The info icon opens the product card for the relevant report should you need it. When you're ready, click Add to Basket. Once you have all your reports in your basket, click Checkout to confirm your selections and pay. Should you need to send the report to another colleague as well as yourself, uncheck Use this address for delivery and enter the additional email. Input your unique order reference or purchase order number. Depending on how your account is set up, you may have two options. If your company has been approved for credit, you can select Invoice to be invoiced at your defined billing period. If you are paying by card, select the Pay by Card option. We've teamed up with Stripe, offering you safe, secure payments. Simply enter your credentials including the CVC number, then click Confirm and Pay to place your order. Your report will be ready to download as soon as possible.